If you're looking to take advantage of the latest in renewable energy technologies for your home or business, then Elite Renewables Limited can provide everything you need. We specialize in the design and installation of renewable technologies, including air source heat pumps, ground source heat pumps, solar PV, solar thermal, EV charging and solar batteries. We are proud that our office and showroom are the first in the UK to be completely powered by renewable energy. Customers can visit to see firsthand how the various renewable technologies work in a real-world environment. Our friendly, knowledgeable and helpful team are here to help you get the perfect renewable energy product for your home or business, designed and installed to the highest standards. Our heat pumps are a green, clean and efficient way to absorb heat from the outside air or the ground, bringing renewable heating and hot water to your home. You'll enjoy lower fuel bills, lower carbon emissions, and the satisfaction of harnessing clean, renewable energy in your environmentally friendly home. Solar panels capture the sun's energy, providing electricity even on cloudy days, transforming sunlight into power for your home, slashing energy bills and reducing your carbon footprint. Elite Renewables Limited. Enjoy a greener, brighter, cleaner tomorrow.